Hello, today I want to show you how to cook herb soup.
What the ingredient that we have?
The ingredient that we have: vegetable, Thai basil, coconut milk, tofu, Khmer spice paste, soy sauce, and sauce.
What we gonna do next?
First we put coconut milk, and Khmer spice paste. Then we stir it until it mixes well. Then we put tofu. Can you pass me? And stir it again. Then we put vegetable.
How long to cook it for?
It's boiled for 5 minutes. Then we put Thai basil, soy sauce, and sauce. So, herb soup is finished. We need to serve in the bowl.
It looks so yummy.
Yes.
Smells so good.
So, herb soup is finished. I hope you guys can make it at home. And thank you for watching.